Quick reading for December the 29th to December the 30th, Earth signs. So ang nakikita natin dito, I think that your person's going to do a little extra, which I feel like medyo mapupundi tayo, no? Meron ditong mangungulit. Especially doon sa mga merong separations or nasaktan kayo nitong person na ito. It felt like pwede mo ditong masabi, sandali lang, no? Hindi pa ako nakakapag-isip, I'm not fully healed, I'm not ready yet to give, to actually give you my forgiveness. Meron din dito mga pagkakataon siguro na medyo inis pa tayo 'no, hindi pa natin talaga kaya to have a conversation or makatabi man lang itong taong ito. Pero meron dito magpupumilit with the devil card. It felt like someone here, it could be you, it could be your person, you can switch the energies anyway. What I'm reading is the dynamic, pero because of pangungulit, I feel like someone here is going to make tago, no, pagtataguan yung person because of sobrang, ito yung extra talaga na pangungulit. Anyway, this is your reading Earth signs for December the 29th to December the 30th.
Predicting future is my purpose.